Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can make use of the X custom audiences and different types of them. So in this particular section, we are going to talk about the list audiences which you can use. So as we had spoken about it earlier as well, so X provides you with different types of custom audiences which we can use and we can target users from. So which are four major categories, which is lists, website activity, and app activity combinations. So list is basically where you are able to, let's say you're running a business where people have been coming to your website and buying your products and services. And to do so, they have opened an account with you. And because of that, you have a huge database of their email addresses and X handles, details which you have collected. Now, this data which you have of your customers can be used in custom audiences of X ads platform, where what we do is we go ahead and upload this personal information, their email address and X handles. And with that, you can now target them. You can target them with your X ads on the X platform. So that is how this particular custom audiences works. The only caveat to this is that the list needs to be at least of 100 users. Minimum requirement is 100 users. Only then this feature will actually work. So let's see this on the platform, how you can use this specific custom audience. So once you're on the platform, we can create this custom audience from the tools section where you can come to audiences. And here you can create the audience. We can come to list and we can give it a name. And then here you can upload the audience. So sheet, which can be there. You can have an Excel sheet, which is a .csv or a TSV or a text file, which you can upload. In this manner, you can upload and then you can go next. You can review the all data if you want to, okay? And once you agree to this, you can go next and it is going to go ahead and upload the data on it. So now the data is uploaded on the X ads platform, and this you can now attach to your campaign. So let me show that as well. So now that the data has been uploaded at the backend, you can enter the campaign and go to the audiences section at the ad group level. So now we are entering the campaign again, and we will straight away go to the ad group level where we can go to the audiences. Here you can see audiences, which is there. So we can go to custom audiences. This is what we were talking about. And here we can search for list where it is going to populate. This is where it is going to populate and you can just select it and attach it to the campaign. So now the ads from this campaign can target those users in that custom audience, which is the list custom audience. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand the complete process now, how we are making use of our own users' data, like their email address and X handles, to target them again with our X ads. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.